Good morning. This is John Norton-Jensen with Northwest Team 6 with your morning fire update and the plan for the day on the Cameron Peak wildfire. Just want to say good morning to all the followers. Here we go. So, yesterday was a good day. The weather was cooperative. We had some cloudy weather for the second half of the day. We had really good humidity recoveries last night, so we had some really good work done. So we finished our direct line construction with heavy equipment and crews to the 333 Alpha Road from Bel Air Lake. Foxtrot Lima worked with heavy machinery both way from Kilpecker Tower with heavy machinery and crews. They're getting pretty close to tying that in as well. Expect that in the next couple of days. Division Romeo also started bringing in hose and water from Bel Air Lake, moving west towards 333 Alpha, and hand crews. Just a quick update for you folks. Just because we have dozer line and heavy equipment line doesn't mean the work's done. So once we get the line in, we have to follow it up with water and people on the ground called hand crews to cut down trees on fire, snags, and to really start working heat proximate to the fire line. So that takes some time and a lot of manpower. Okay, over here on the Romeo side, the burnout continued in this area by Elkhorn here, Mount Plover. This should be finished up today. They're going super slow to impact private property the least amount possible. So going super slow, taking their time. The whole idea is to remove these green islands of fuel surrounding structures so that they'll be protected from burning down, and followed up with engines mopping up and securing heat from this burnout. So this will hopefully be finished today. Division Romeo also will check lines and have Structure Group North Division will provide engines to patrol, mop up, and secure heat around homes in the black and adjacent to the black. So a strong presence here. Structure Group North is also going to work with our partners at the Rural Fire Protection Districts at Crystal Lakes, Red Fiddle Lakes, and Glacier View. And we're looking at some further contingency planning around Glacier View as well, just to stay ahead of the game. Structure Group South, which is responsible for the Highway 14 corridor, is mopping up and securing around houses around the corridor itself. They finished their burnout 2 days ago now. Still mopping up and securing heat around those houses, and then working some aviation assets, some helicopters in the Sheep Creek drainage to check the fire to make sure we don't have we don't want to run at Highway 14. So we're going to use aviation resources to check the fire and slow those rates of spread down. We still have this big green island in the middle. You might see some smoke from that today. Just keep that in mind. If you see a bunch of smoke, we still have some interior pockets of green which are gonna burn and put some smoke up. Okay, down here on the southwest part of the fire, we made some good progress in the Long Draw Reservoir area. We have a division supervisor assigned down there called Division Alpha. He got some further crews and modules yesterday, and they were busy securing an anchor point and providing with burning and looking at trail systems in the creek to try to secure that fire edge and start going direct to prevent further spread south. In Whiskey Zulu, we had a teeny bit of activity in the upper headwaters of the Pooter here in Cache Creek. That was being monitored. Very small activity, but it'll have eyes on it today. Be assessed for aviation needs or not today by the lookouts. And there's also some further contingency work being done closer to Estes Park with chainsaws, cleaning up roads, so forth. Okay, Division Tango uniform. Checked out, hiked out towards Bear Creek area. Checked out any fire east of Bear Creek that crossed the trail, secured, mopped up. Working their way back, they're assessing using this trail above Comanche as a control line. And they're also using aviation assets today too to check the fire spread, backing down the slope in the Browns Lake area and above Comanche. The CSU campus and the Pangaree subdivision will have their structure protection plans reviewed again today. Make sure all the equipment's working. And today you also see some aviation use for sure being used to check fire spread. Okay, for the plan for today, it's kind of more of the same. We're going to continue bringing water in from Bel Air Lake on hose lace. We're going to continue to bring manpower, firefighters in the ground to work towards 3-3 Alpha. Foxtrot Lima is going to continue to build direct line with heavy machinery, both ways from Kilpacker. Getting really close to completing that, but a couple days out still probably. And the Foxtrot Lima is going to work on bringing hose lays in as well. Down here towards Long Draw and Division Alpha, on the Alpha Whiskey Zulu Country border, they're going to further secure the anchor point and further assess how they can corral this fire using natural features and containment line if needed. Same thing with Tango Uniform, same plan. Gonna keep cutting out some roads at Comanche to improve those road access. Look at this trail above Comanche and keep using aviation assets to cool the fire edge that's backing down. Today, aviation priorities will be on the north end, supporting that direct line construction in the Sheep Creek area. And down here on the Long Draw area, we'll have some aviation in addition to Tango Uniform as well. We appreciate y'all's interest. Please feel free to contact us through the email or through Facebook. And thanks for your interest. Have a good day.